Hi, this is Ricky from Delta Sound Labs, and this is a quick demo of the DFAM by Moog running through Audient Sono amp modeler and a audio interface with a built-in tube. The two of them combined produce some of the heaviest hitting percussion patches I've ever patched, so I wanted to share those with you and talk a little bit about why it's worth exploring. Alright, so we got the DFAM coming through into channel 1 here. It's being passed through the valve. The valve's really good at extending the drum patterns beyond the VCA. So if you have a really tight pattern, which we do at the minute, we can bring it right down. And then we can use the valve to give it a bit of punch, which is pretty nice. With the cabinet engaged as well, we can play with a 3-band EQ, which does exactly what you might expect. If you want to cut some body from your pattern, you can use your mid. And the drive is also pretty nice, adds a bit of grit. So as we open up the VCA, you'll really hear it sing. Just going to bring the level down here on the Sono and push up the valve. With the valve engaged, it's pretty heavy hitting. It gives a lot of extra body to the DFAM. It's a pretty great combination. So let's have a look at the 2Notes engineering software. This is Torpedo Remote. It gives you access to a whole bunch of different room emulators, amp emulators, and microphone emulators. So we can click through our different cab simulators on the hardware itself. You can see in these 3 different presets here, we've got the studio setting, a little bit more of a live room with Studio B, and then a larger concert hall. So I really like the sound of the Fender Twin. It's very compact, very punchy. If I want a darker sound, I might choose the Ribbon. I would stick with a condenser, and the Fender Twin sounds really nice. So if you're looking for something a little bit more lo-fi, you might explore the contour controls. We have a continuum between vintage and modern, something a little bit more lo-fi, minus a lot of the body of the DFAM in this case, to something much more heavy hitting, pristine and clean. Alright, there you have it. That's the DFAM running through the Sono by Audient. Again, my favorite feature is running the synthesizer through the tube and really cranking the tube to really fatten up, in this case, the drum patterns that I'm making.